Hey guys, welcome back to another Coin Forum video. Big update with Boost Mobile and Boost Infinite. As you guys can see, their website has changed as well as a couple things, but basically they have finally combined. So before, Boost Mobile and Boost Infinite were two different things, even though it ran on the same network really. One was a postpaid brand, one was the prepaid brand, which of course, you know, Boost Mobile was the prepaid and Boost Infinite was a postpaid one. So finally they have combined into one, so now you don't have to go to boostinfinite.com or boostmobile.com. Like I said, it's going to be all one entity now. So it was really cool, and they finally made changes to their plans, which we've been waiting for. So let's get into it and see what kind of changes we're looking at. So it says $25 a month forever, unlimited wireless. We'll get into that plan and how you get that. This is that new network energy. So pretty cool, guys. As you can see, we'll look at the plans. 30-day a money back guarantee. So if you don't like the network, which is great, you can try it out. If the network doesn't work out for you, you could get your money back, which is pretty cool. So it says 30-day guarantee or get your money back. It says because if Boost doesn't light up your live, you can look for another soulmate. So basically it says customers who cancel within 30 days of activation will have Boost service fees refunded, activation fees if applicable, and phone payments will not be refunded. Port in auto pay required. Kind of sketch. So basically saying, yeah, so you could get your money back technically. But enough of that. It says bring your own phone. So it says if you bring your own device from a different carrier, as long as the phone is unlocked, you can get unlimited service for $25 a month forever, guys. That does give you a cap of 30 gigs of high-speed data. We'll look into those plans in just a little bit. Or you could shop for a new phone. It says feeling switchy, time to change. A fresh take on wireless. The juice is worth the squeeze. So it says 5G speedy data is my game. 99% of nationwide coverage. Like I said, they do use 3 networks. It's the T-Mobile, AT&T, and now the Boost mobile or Dish network. No risk, 30-day money back guarantee. You can also check out the coverage, but I looked earlier and it basically says everything is covered. So I don't know how truthful that is. We build a network. It says no contract required. Boost Mobile unlimited plans. Here are the 3 unlimited plans. Before it was really just one plan, guys. It was just a $50 plan, and it gave you only like 30 gigs of premium data. So for $25 a month, you do get unlimited talk, text, and data. No contracts. It's prepaid. Remember, it's prepaid. $25 a month forever, which is pretty cheap. Buy now, pay later available. 30 gigs of premium data. So another thing is, before you didn't get premium data, now you do get premium data, which is actually pretty nice. We can look at the full details. So it says if you use more than 30 gigs of high-speed data or high-speed premium data, your speeds will be lowered to 512 kilobits per second. At that speed is basically useless. So where you're gonna say it's not unlimited. After 30 gigs, you're done. No contract, $25 forever, as long as you have auto pay. You get it's a $5 off discount. If not, it's $30 a month. With auto pay, you get a $5 off discount. It says available add-ons, hotspot, high-speed data, so you can buy more data and everything. All this stuff right here you could add extra. Now for $50 a month, so double the price, you can limit talk, text, and data, no contracts. But now look at this, you're getting savings off devices. So it's kind of what postpaid, like I said, it's a mixture of prepaid and postpaid, guys. So as you can see, this is what a lot of postpaid carriers do. Like I said, I've worked for a couple of them. The more expensive plan you have, the better discount you would get on a device. So as you can see, if you do the middle plan, you get $300 device savings. If you did the $60 a month plan, you get $430. So not too bad. Of course, you get hotspot, global talk and text, monthly taxes included, buy now, pay later available. So you can finance phones. It looks like 40 gigs of premium data, so 10 more gigs than $25 one, which is not too bad. Now for the $60 a month, which is at that price, guys, it's reaching there basically of the postpaid carriers. So this is unlimited talk and text and data, no contracts, up to $430 device savings. Hotspot, global talk and text, North American Connect, monthly taxes included, which is pretty cool on these both right here. pay now or buy now, pay later, and 50 gigs of premium data, which is a lot. We can look at the full details. It also gives you the discounts off phones if you do the $60 monthly plan. So it's pretty good. Like I said, they're mixing postpaid and prepaid and still prepaid, which is pretty cool. So after 50 gigs of premium data, like I said, your speeds will be slowed down to 512 kilobits per second. No contracts, of course. Here's the savings on the devices. So of course you can do the best one there could be for an iPhone, at least the iPhone 12, 64 gigabytes. You save 430. You get it for $200. That phone retails for $630, which at this price point, I think that phone should actually retail less. You do an iPhone 11. That one is you're saving $350. You get it for $150. Like I said, these prices look a little inflated to me. At this price, this phone should be $530. So, you know, iPhone 11, 128. You save $256 or $250. You get it for $300. The Moto Razr 2023, you save $500. You get it for $100. That's actually a good savings there. The Galaxy A35 5G, you get it for $150. That's 24. You get it for $600. So you're saving $200. 24, $256. You get it for $650. S24 Plus, you get it for $750. S24 Plus, you get it for $870. If you do the 512. The Ultra, and you save $300, you get it for $1,000, and for the bigger one, you get it for basically $1,200, and all unlimited plus phones included. So pretty cool. Mobile hotspot, of course. It says enjoy, stay connected. Devices data pulls from your monthly data. So you do have basically unlimited hotspot, but remember it pulls from the pool of data. So you have a pool of data which is 50 gigs. The other one's 40, and this one is 30. Of course, family and friends in Canada or Mexico, stay in touch with unlimited talk and text and 5 gigabytes of data while roaming in Canada and Mexico. Global talk and text. And of course, you can add different add-ons and stuff. So, pretty cool, I would say, at that price point. Of course, buy now, pay later plans. You do have plans like that. There is infinite access for the iPhone, which is $65 a month, which means you can get an iPhone for free. You just pay, you have to stick with this plan. You cannot switch it. It says limited talk, text, and data. New iPhone included. $830 device savings, like I said, but you must stay with them, I believe, 3 years. Buy now, pay later. Annual upgrades, which is pretty good if you think about it. Every year you can upgrade to the new iPhone. Global talk and text, North America Connect, and 30 gigs of premium data. That's the one thing I don't like with this one. It says save up to $830 on brand new iPhone every year. So it's basically the iPhone Forever plans. And they do run a soft credit check to verify and protect your identity. They won't sell your data, but basically you're getting this phone via bill credits, like a postpaid. This is what the postpaid one would be. And you still get everything, but it is 30 gigs of data. Now, if you're like, I don't want iPhone, Galaxy, they do have the Galaxy. Same thing, annual upgrades. You do get Samsung Galaxy every year. You save $800, so technically you could get a Galaxy for free every year instead of an iPhone, which is pretty cool. They do give you both choices depending on what you like. But remember, this is basically you're getting, which is kind of sneaky. You're technically getting this plan, which if you think about it, let's say you pay $30 without autopay, plus here you're paying $35 for the phone. I don't know if that makes sense, but you have this plan, you have everything that this plan has, 30 gigs, and some global stuff here and there, but you're technically paying $35, almost $40 a month for this phone. So that's actually more expensive than if you did a postpaid carrier. Now, if they gave you more data, that would be a little different, but like I said, for 30 gigs of data, that's that plan right there. So I don't know, Boost Mobile's being a little sneaky there, but what's cool is you do get to upgrade every year, which is actually nice. Now, every carrier, you're locked in for 3 years of payments, not a contract, but you do payment plans on it. So, of course, you get 5G nationwide coverage. It does do T-Mobile, AT&T, and Dish, just depending on which SIM card you get. So there's the iPhone on Us. It says infinite access to iPhone, upgrade to the latest iPhone every year. That's an offer at $65 a month. You can save $150 on the Galaxy or the Motorola G5G. You get that for $10 on the $50 a month plan. The Galaxy Forever plan, or you can save on the iPhone 12 as well. So, and of course you can get more deals. We can look at more deals here. In store only, you can get this one for free. Save $430 on that phone, like the ones we basically talked about earlier. They're showing you some of the phones that you could get technically with these. Of course, these are, as you can see, there are monthly plans. So it says when you finance your new iPhone or Galaxy with our Infinite Access plan for qualified customers, they do a soft credit checks. Just know that you could get the 15 Pro for $5 a month, 15 for free, Pro Max for 10, the Galaxy for free, or the Ultra for $13.89. So pretty cool, guys. What do you think? This is just scratching the surface of it, but with these new plans, I think Boost Mobile's making a smart choice. I still think personally they need to get rid of the data caps. People are on their phone a lot more, and they're using more than 30, 40, or 50 gigs of data. Honestly, I am. Of course, there's Wi-Fi everywhere, but if you travel a lot, you're gonna go through that data. So just be aware about that. I don't even connect to Wi-Fi because I have an unlimited plan. You know what I mean? So thanks for watching, guys. Please comment, rate, subscribe. Let me know in the comments below what you think. Sorry, just came from a meeting, so pretty tired. Sorry about that. I got pretty tired. So let me know in the comments below what you think. Check out the description below for a lot more cool videos and the ways to support the channel. So I'm about to go take a nap. Thank you so much and have a nice day.